BMW M3 legendary car, massive power and updates. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a legendary machine, the BMW M3. This iconic car has been a dream for gearheads for decades, and for good reason. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore what makes the M3 such a special beast. The M3 story starts way back in 1986. Back then, BMW took their popular 3 Series sedan and injected it with a serious dose of motorsport DNA. The result? A car that could dominate the track on weekends and tear up the streets during the week. This philosophy, everyday usability with insane performance, has been the core of the M3 ever since. Now, let's get down to the real nitty-gritty. What's powering this beast? Traditionally, the M3 has been known for its high-revving, naturally aspirated engines. These things screamed towards redline, delivering a raw and exhilarating driving experience. But recently, BMW has switched to powerful turbocharged engines. Don't worry, though, these new mills still pack a serious punch, with some models boasting over 500 horsepower. But power isn't everything. The M3 is also about precision handling. BMW engineers spend countless hours tuning the suspension, steering, and brakes to create a car that feels glued to the road. It's a car that inspires confidence and begs to be pushed to its limits, on a track, of course. So, what's it like to actually drive an M3? In a word, incredible. The acceleration is neck-snapping, the handling is razor-sharp, and the feedback from the steering wheel is pure communication. You feel connected to the car in a way that's rare these days. It's a truly rewarding experience for any driving enthusiast. Now, some might think that a performance monster like the M3 wouldn't be practical for everyday driving. But that's the beauty of this car. It's not just a track weapon. The M3 offers a surprising amount of comfort and refinement. The seats are supportive, the interior is well equipped with technology, and there's enough space for passengers and cargo for daily errands. You can truly have your high-performance cake and eat it too. The M3 isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of car. BMW offers a variety of options to cater to different needs. There's the standard M3 for a balance of power and comfort. Then there's the M3 Competition, which cranks the performance up a notch. And for those who need a bit more practicality, the M3 Touring offers a wagon body style. So, the question remains, is the BMW M3 right for you? Well, if you're looking for a car that combines exhilarating performance with everyday usability, then the M3 is definitely worth considering. However, it's not for everyone. It comes with a hefty price tag, and the powerful engine means higher fuel costs. Additionally, the stiff suspension can be a bit harsh for daily commutes. The BMW M3 is a true legend in the automotive world. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of performance without sacrificing everyday comfort. It's a driver's dream, a symbol of automotive excellence. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just someone who appreciates a truly special car, the M3 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the mighty M3. What are your thoughts on this iconic car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content. Until next time, happy driving.